All right. Very haunting new song by Cavetown with Tessa Violet, and she is amazing. She's all over the place. But this is a great collaboration of those two, Tessa Violet and Cavetown. And this one I'm capoed up from the 4th fret, and the song is called Smoke Signals, and it's very haunting. So I'm going to run through the intro and the verse and the chorus. So here's what the intro sounds like. It starts out with a C, E minor, C major 7th, C, A minor, C, A minor, D. Okay? So it's a little bit tricky because some of the voicings are, you have to sort of listen to what they're doing. But one more time on the intro, just I want you to make sure you have it. C major 7th, and then back to C, to A minor, C, A minor, and it touches on a D note, so it could be a D chord or a D note, to an E major, and that happens quite a bit in the song, so that little and that's the setup for the verse. Now here's the verse. If you want the complete blueprint for this song, including the tabs, chords, and more, go to jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's completely free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier. Alright, here's the verse. Starts out with a C major 7th, E minor, back to C major 7th. B minor, E7, E minor, to C major 7. And there's a little walk down, C, B, A minor, C, and then it does a B sus to a B minor, to an E. That's the turnaround. It's like a B sus looks like this. And then B minor. And an E. So I'm trying to think of an easier way to do that. You could just go. That'd be a way to do it. Just hit your high E note, D note, 3rd fret on the B, and then E. Yeah, that'd be an easier way, because this is hard. That's beautiful voicing, okay? So that's the verse. And then the chorus goes from a C, goes to an E minor. You can come, E minor. And then a C major 7th. When you're ready, to A minor. Up to C, E minor. To a D, and then back to C. You can come, E minor, C major 7th. When you're ready, A minor, to C, D minor, so D major I think. I gave you the chorus, but so it does a cool little out. It goes C, back to C, A minor, D, C major 7, E minor, C, F major 7th, C, E minor, C, sort of dissipates on its own and just kind of fades out. So yeah, there's some tricky little chords in there, but that's basically the song. That's the meat of it, and it's a haunting little song. I really like it. So we'll see you down the road.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll, rock and roll. Stay awesome and rock and roll.
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.